friends, thank you for coming back to step number 2. I hope everybody's doing well. Now what I did, I wanted a little bit more purple up there, and that's exactly what I did. I dabbed that, I came over very lightly, right in the middle here, dab some yellow, and then go over it very lightly so you really have more thickness of the yellow right there. Alrighty friends, let's get going. Okay, let's do maybe the mountains now with a background like that. That'll look really cool. Okay, I have my angular brush and I have some black. Now, the sun's going to be here. We want some of that reflection here. So what we're going to do, we wouldn't go down here. We would come right about here. There you go. Run that right across. That leaves reflection on the water. And then you have your sun right there. Now we're going to come in a little up and down, up and down, up. There you go. There you go. And you're going to fill that in. And in between, if you like to have your paint more dry before you add things, yes, you can do that. And this is with an angular brush that I'm using right now. I hope everyone is having a wonderful time. I do enjoy my time painting with my newcomers and my friends that have been tuning in. Okay, let's come over here. There you go. And usually I have music playing. It's a very, very relaxing time. I find it relaxing. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm really liking that. And already, you've got the sun looking like it want to come up right here. But we'll make the sun in a minute. Okay. And now what you want to do, take a little bit of your white into black and lighten it up where you can come in and we can, let me see, let me dab that out a little bit more. You can come in and lighten this up right here. It should be lighter, right, than the rest of it because the sun is right there. And then you can come down and make it where this has a little bit of a definition more. Okay, in your background here. Okay, love it, love it, love it. And now what you're going to do, just dab some white with your black. I still have my angular brush. I'm going to go down a little low right there. Okay, what I'm going for is some reflection. Okay, from my background here. Okay, now we're going to wet that brush. Alrighty, we're going to dry the brush. Okay. And then we're just going to come in very lightly like that. And just kind of give it a little bit where it would be dark. There you go. There you go. There's something great about painting. If you start an idea and you want to change your idea, you can do it very easily. Let your paint dry and just go over your canvas or do what you want to do. Also on the bottom, I showed you how to dab a darker blue. I mean, if this is going to be blue for you, dab, dab, come in very lightly, and that will stay right there on the bottom. And right now, we really don't need the sun, but I'm going to show you, and I've showed you this before, this is my sponge. I'm going to dab it. There you go, and I think that would be a good size. And I'm going to put that right there. Lightly, a little twist. Perfect, and I love it. Yeah, this was a very fun video to do, and I know you're having a great time. So the last thing that we are going to do, let me get a clean brush, an angular brush. Okay, we're going to come in. That's right, with our yellow tip. There you go. You're going to run it. Bring it long, a little short. Okay. And that's your reflection going right there. There you go. And sometimes you can take a little white with that. White with the yellow. And might make it just a little brighter. I hope you're having fun. I really do have fun doing the videos with you, my dear friends. So this is sunrise, as beautiful as it is. If you want to make clouds, go right ahead. I showed you how to go down, come and dab them out. But the sky for me is just so beautiful. I really don't want to do any clouds on that. So as you can see, the pictures are not identical, but you kind of get the same idea. And like I said, I love purple, so I really did a little bit more purple. Coming in like this, okay, not all the way across if you notice, and dab out on the water a little darker. And then lightly cover it over. Boy, I had a wonderful time. Thank you, friends, and please tune in and join me on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.